So what do you think we're doing with this beautiful Tesla this Saturday afternoon at White Lotus home? Check it out. Love this car. We're actually hand delivering a queen size mattress, an organic mattress that was handmade here at White Lotus home, as well as a twin size mattress that we handmade right here in White Lotus home in New Brunswick, New Jersey. And this is how we do our white glove service. So cool. Tesla is just the best. Can't wait to get the bigger one. Bye, Tesla lovers. Love my Tesla. Hope you guys love yours. Mine needs to cleaning, but it's making me money and saving me a lot of gas money. Thanks.